In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint. View a file version history. Version history in SharePoint lets you see how a file has changed over time, who edited it, when they did it, and often what changed, so you can track progress and troubleshoot issues with confidence. First, open SharePoint in your web browser. Once you're on the SharePoint start page and signed in, head to the site where your file lives. This could be a team site, a project space, or any site you use to collaborate. If you have many sites, use the SharePoint homepage to pick from your frequent or followed sites. Inside the site, go to Documents. This opens the site's document library, which is the central place where files are stored. If your site has multiple libraries, make sure you're in the one that holds the file you want to review. Next, locate the file. You can scroll through folders, use the search box at the top to type part of the file name, or sort by columns like name or modified to bring recent changes to the top. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct file, especially if there are similar names or versions saved in different folders. With the file in view, select the three dots, also called the ellipsis, next to the file name. This opens the context menu with File Actions. Choose Version History. SharePoint will open a dialog or a panel on the right side of the screen showing a list of versions for that file. In the version list, you'll see helpful details such as the date and time each version was saved and the person who made the change. Depending on your library settings, you may also see major and minor versions, file size, and any comments added during the save. Scroll through the list to understand the sequence of edits. This is a great way to audit recent activity, confirm the last known good state of a document, or simply answer who changed what and when during a review. If you don't see version history in the menu, you may be looking at a file you don't have permission to manage, or versioning might be turned off for that library. In that case, check with your site owner or administrator to enable versioning or confirm your access. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find and read a file's version history in SharePoint so you can collaborate with clarity and keep your content under control.